Good morning students. In last class we have solved exercise 2.1 from first question to third question we have solved. Now we will see the fourth question of exercise 2.1. The fourth question tells us that a rectangular sheet of paper, okay, a rectangular sheet of paper is there, is 12 integer 1/2 centimeter long. Okay, they have given the length of a rectangular sheet of paper, that is 12 integer 1/2 centimeter and 10 integer 2/3 centimeter wide. Wide is nothing but breadth. Find its perimeter. So think here, this is your rectangular sheet of paper. Okay, they have given its length is 12 integer 1/2 centimeter. So you know what is rectangle? In a rectangle, the opposite sides will going to be equal, yes or no? And breadth is 10 integer 2/3 centimeter. Okay, find its perimeter. So you know what is the perimeter? What is the meaning of perimeter? If I ask you what is the perimeter of this figure, what is the definition of perimeter? Perimeter means the sum of the length of all its side is nothing but a perimeter. Yes or no? See, if I ask you, okay, this is 4 centimeter, here 2, 4, 2. So what is the perimeter of this rectangle? What is actually perimeter? Perimeter means sum means the addition of length of all its sides. See here, 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 2 centimeter. What is this? 4 plus 2 is 6 centimeter. 4 plus 2 is 6 centimeter. 6 plus 6 is 12 centimeter. The total length of this rectangle is 12 centimeter. Whatever I am telling, the total length of this figure, no, the total length is nothing but a perimeter. Perimeter means the total length of all its side is nothing but a perimeter. Okay, if I ask you what is the perimeter of this triangle, if I ask you what is the perimeter of this triangle, what is the perimeter of this triangle? Add all its sides, 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 5 centimeter. 3 plus 3 is 6 centimeter. 6 plus 5 is 11 centimeter. The perimeter of this triangle is 11 centimeter. Perimeter means the total length of all its side is nothing but a perimeter. How we can define? The perimeter of a shape is nothing but the total length of all its side is nothing but a perimeter. Okay. Now related to perimeter, one question they have given. What they have given? One rectangle sheet of paper is there. They have given the length and they have given the breadth. Now see here length is 12 integer 1/2 centimeter. In rectangle what? Opposite sides are equal, no? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. They told to find out the perimeter of this rectangular sheet of paper. You can add all these or you can use the formula. In 6th standard we have learned the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. No students, what is the perimeter of rectangle formula? Perimeter of rectangle is equal to what? 2 into length plus breadth. We have learned this formula, no? Do you remember or forgotten? I think so, definitely you have remembered, right? Perimeter of rectangle formula is 2 into length plus breadth. We will use the formula because we learned the formula in last class as we will use the formula here. If we use formula, our work will be very easier. Okay. Say solution. Say length of the rectangular sheet of paper is equal to how much? 12 integer 1/2 centimeter. Okay. So don't get confused here. I will draw some this side. Length is 12 integer 1/2 centimeter and breadth is 10 integer 2/3 centimeter. Okay. Now see, length of the rectangular sheet of paper is 12 integer 1/2 centimeter. Breadth of, here wide is nothing but breadth. Okay. Breadth of the rectangular sheet of paper is equal to what? 10 integer 2/3 centimeter. See what we have to find out here? Therefore, perimeter of rectangular sheet of paper is equal to, use the formula 2 into length plus breadth. What is length? 12 integer 1/2 centimeter plus what is breadth? 10 integer 2/3 centimeter. Okay. Now see here students, we will simplify 2 multiplied by 12 2s are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25/2 centimeter plus 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32/3 centimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by, what is the LCM of 2 and 3? LCM of 2 and 3. 2 ones are, here 3 is there, 3 ones are. LCM is 6. Okay. The 6 is the LCM. 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are here. What is 25 3s are? 25 3s are 5 3s are 15, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 is 7. 75 plus 32 2s are is how much? 32 2s are 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6. It is 64 is equal to 2 multiplied by, what is 75 plus 64? See here, 75 plus 64. 5 plus 4 is 9. 7 plus 6 is 13. 2 multiplied by 139 divided by 6. Okay. Now see, what is 2 multiplied by 139? 139 multiplied by 2. 9 2s are 18. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 1 2s are 2. It is 278 divided by 6. Okay. Now do the division. 6 4s are 24. 7 minus 4 is 3. Take here 8. 6 7s are 42, 6 6s are 36, 8 minus 6 is 2. So what is the answer? Keep it in a mixed fraction now. It is 46 integer 2 by 6. Okay, 46 integer 2 by 6 centimeter. Okay, this is about the fourth question. Okay, now we will see the next. Now see here, seventh question. Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Okay, out of 5 parts, 3 part Ritu ate. What she ate? She ate apple. And the remaining apple was eaten by her brother Somu. Whatever the remaining part is there, Somu ate. What he ate? Apple. Okay. How much part of the apple did Somu eat? Okay. How much Somu eat apple? They have asked. Who had the longer share? Who ate longer? Means whether Ritu ate so much apple or Somu ate. But how much they have asked? Say a solution. See here, let the whole part of the apple be 1. Okay. In 1, I told you a fraction is nothing but a part of a whole. Yes. See here, let the whole part of the apple be 1. Okay. Part of the apple ate by Ritu is how much they have given? 3 by 5. Okay. In whole 1 apple, part of the apple ate by Ritu is 3 by 5. Okay. Therefore, remaining part definitely his brother Somu will eat. Yes or no? Therefore, part of the apple eaten by her brother Somu is equal to, see here, in one part Ritu ate 3 by 5 part of an apple. Remaining part her brother Somu will eat. Okay. So what we'll do? 1 minus 3 by 5. Yes or no? Now see here. Suppose I have 5 chocolates. Okay. Suppose I have 5 chocolates. Okay. My friend will eat 2 chocolates. My friend will eat 2 chocolates. For me, how many chocolates she kept? Remaining I will eat, no? What is the remaining? How we will do? 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 chocolates I will eat. The same thing here, okay? Whole minus this one. 1 minus 3 by 5. What is the LCM of 1 and 5? Definitely the LCM of 1 and 5 is 5. 1 5s are 5. 1 5. 1 5s is 5 minus 3. What is 5 minus 3? 2 by 5. Okay. Part of the apple eaten by her brother Somu. Okay. Her brother Somu ate 2 by 5 apple. 2 by 5 of apple. Now who had the longer share? Now tell me, who had the longer share? 3 by 5 is greater or 2 by 5 is greater? Definitely 3 by 5 is greater. Since 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 5. Thus the share of The share of Ritu was longer. By how much they have told? By how much means? By how much means what we will do? See, difference between two parts is equal to by how much Ritu ate longer apple means what do you do? 3 by 5 minus 2 by 5. It is 1 by 5. Ritu's share was longer than Somu. By how much means? By 1 by 5. Now we will see the last problem. Now see the 8th question. Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Okay, Michael finished coloring a picture in 7 by 12 hour. Vaibhav finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. So whatever Michael is coloring now, the same picture Vaibhav also finished coloring the same picture in 3 by 4 hour. Who worked longer? They are asking who worked longer. By what fraction was it longer? So to compare this, we want like fraction. If we have like fraction, we can tell who worked longer. First what we will do, we will convert this into a like fraction and we will see who had worked longer. Okay, see a solution. Time taken by Michael is how much? Time taken by Michael is 7 by 12 hours. Okay, time taken by Vaibhav is how much? 3 by 4 hours. See, to compare this, we want the like fraction, but these are unlike fraction. Say comparing 7 by 12 and 3 by 4, we will convert this. Okay, see here, what is the LCM of 3 and 12 and 4? 4 3s are 12, 4 1s are 3, 1 1. LCM of 4 and 3 is what, student? 12. Now see, 12 how much is 12? 12 1s are, multiply both numerator and denominator by 1. 4 how much is 12? 4 3s are, multiply both numerator and denominator by 3. 7 1s are 12 1s are, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now see here, now tell me who had done worked longer? Who had done worked longer? Definitely Vaibhav had done the worked longer. Yes or no? Because see here denominator are same. 7 is bigger or 9 is bigger? Here 9 is bigger. Definitely Vaibhav had done worked longer. This since 9 by 12 is greater than 7 by 12. Now see here, therefore 3 by 4 is greater than 7 by 12. Hence, time taken by Vaibhav was longer. Again they are asked by how much. We will take the difference. By how much they have asked, no? We will take the difference. What is that? 9 by 12 minus 7 by 12 is 2 by 12 hours. Okay? Say Vaibhav had taken time longer. By how much? By 2 by 12 hours. That is 1 by 6 hours. We can write like this also. 2 1s are 2 6s are. Okay. So this completes your exercise 2.1. In next class we will continue the next concept of fraction. Thank you.